So moving on to the next room, we are in the living room. So as you can see, it is currently, oh, it's kind of hard to tell. So the color of the wall in the living room that I'm working on right now is, it's kind of in the taupe family, but it has a very orangey peach undertone. So I don't know if you can tell. So I've already started doing some edging over here. So this is the current color, and this is the color I'm going to. So the new color is more on the taupe side, but it's got a little bit of a gray tint, whereas this one is more peachy orange. It's really not coming through on the camera, so I apologize, but just trust me on that. So anyways, some people like this color, not really anything wrong with it, except for with the type of decor that I have, you know, the browns and such, this, you know, brown fabric against the current color is just not, it really makes the walls look peachy, and I don't really care for that. So going to start on this room, and so this is the color that most of the house is going to be. So the living room is going to be this color. The kitchen, a couple of the kitchen walls are that color, as well as the hallway and entryway will be that color. So, so yeah, we'll get started on some painting. So this is my hallway, and I've got two vents here. I've already taken them off, but I wanted to show you just kind of how beat up these are. So as you can see, there's, you know, paint has rubbed off. They've certainly seen better days, and so I'm going to put a coat of spray paint on them just to freshen them up and make them look nice since we're repainting the walls. Alright, so next part of the house is my entryway. So I've already started doing some of the edging here. My finger can. So again, this is the color that I did, that you just saw me do in the hallway, as well as in the living room. So the entryway is going to be that color. I wanted to point out, don't ever, let's see if you can see this. Yeah, see this line right here? So the previous owners must have painted over wallpaper. So if you have wallpaper, as much as it sucks, try to tear it down. Do not paint over it, because then what happens is you get all of these creases and lines in your walls. And I tried to sand them out, hoping that would work, and it didn't really make a difference, so I'm gonna just paint over it again. They're not like terribly noticeable, but just don't do it. Trust me, I have removed wallpaper 100 times in my life. It is not the most fun process, but it will make your walls look cleaner down the road if you are going to be painting them. And then you also run the risk of eventually the wallpaper peeling, so all the painting that you've done over it is just going to come off the wall. So anyways, try to remove it, don't paint over it. That's the point of the story. So I'm going to go ahead and get started painting this, and then yeah, I'll show you the after.